Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain to you the optional and read-only type in TypeScript. They are very easy to properties, optional and read-only properties in TypeScript. Okay, so now let me create let me show you the optional property in TypeScript, how they work. Create a new file called optional.ts. Okay, so now let me first explain to you the optional property in TypeScript, then I will show you the read-only property in TypeScript, how they work. Okay, so first let me create a type of object for a book, okay, which equals to the book will have a title of the string. The book have also author of a string, and the book will have the year of a number. Okay, so this is how we create the type. I explained the type in a previous tutorial. Okay, so now so the concept is the optional property says that for example, if I want to in a previous tutorial, if I provide this if I didn't provide the corresponding type of this year, the TypeScript says that it is not defined or it is not provided. For example, let me create an object which is called a book, which will reference to that book and which equals to for example, if I provide like this, the title Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and the year, the author is J.K. Rowling, the year is 1997. So there is no a problem in here. But if I didn't provide, or if I delete the year property, there is a red line comes in here. It says that property here is missing in the type. It says that the title is a string, that is fine. The author is a string, that is fine. But the required type, the required in type book, the year declared is here. So you have to declare this. So the TypeScript having error. So to resolve this error, what if you provide the type but you don't want to show the year? You have to use the question mark in here. So this is called optional property. So there is no error now. You don't have to, it is not a mandatory. Okay, so you don't have to provide the year in here, but because of you use this optional type, if you delete this optional type, you have to provide in here. If you not provide, if you put the question mark, you have a option to provide or not. Okay, so this is the optional property works in TypeScript. Let me show you to save it and run the code, and it's only print the title. Okay, sorry, I didn't print out to the console. I have to say like console.log. I have to say like use this book title and book by author. Okay, so now let me run it the code, and it says that it only prints the title of the book and the author of the book. Okay, but it is not printing the year. But if you try to provide the year, there is no problem. You can provide with optional property. But if you not like to provide if you don't want to provide a year, it is not mandatory. Okay, so you can provide or you cannot provide in TypeScript the optional property. So it is easy, guys. It will give you more flexibility to your objects types. Okay, so I hope you understand it. So now let me show you that also the read-only property. So the read-only property works in TypeScript let me create a new file called readonly.ts. okay, so now again let me create or let me copy paste this optional file. Okay, this type, paste it in here. Okay, so now I am trying to show you that the read only, for example, if you provide a read only in here, okay, if you provide the read only keyword before your annotation, you cannot update the year value, okay, or the string value. If you provide in here, you cannot update this author. The author is only said to be 1. okay, it is like using in Java final, or using a constant variables that cannot be changed. okay, so this read only, you cannot update that annotation. okay, for example, let me say that if I use the read only year number, and if I say like const the book is reference into the book, and which equals to this, and if I say like before I use this object, or I have to provide, okay, sorry. So if I say like title is, for example, the Harry Potter, and comma, and other one is author, and if I say like author, that is good, and I have to say like a year, and that is 1997. okay, so that is great, guys. So what if I want to update the author, for example? Now let me say like book dot the author, you can say like, for example, to whatever you want. okay, so there is no problem, you update successfully. But what if you want to update, or what if you want to update this year? We only say that read only, we already given in here. So if I say like book dot a year, which equals to 2000, you cannot update, okay, because we are using the read only keyword. So you cannot update, you can only read this value, but you cannot update. For example, let me say that it says cannot assign a year because it is a read only property. So the TypeScript says that this error. okay, so this is how the read only works in TypeScript. I hope you understand the concept, the difference between this read only and optional. In the optional, you can update, okay, you can update, and you can use what we call the number. okay, so this is for today. I hope you understand the read only and the optional type in TypeScript. You can find this code in my Git repo. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and I'll see you on the next part of TypeScript tutorial. Bye bye.